Komportable ba talaga sa comfort zone? Or is it a lie that you believed all along, thinking that it's convenient and comfortable, pero in fact, it's actually dangerous and does not give you a comfortable life?
Hi, this is Biggs, and let's turn your situation to life coaching lessons.
Paano mo nga ba na masasabi that you are really in a zone that inspires rather than expires? If it inspires creativity and productivity rather than detrimental to your being. Anong example? Let's be honest, sometimes in your comfort zone, limitado ka. Komportable ba talaga yun? Kung limitado ka, wala kang options, wala kang choice. Number 2, wala kang magawa. Comfortable ba talaga yon kung wala ka namang magawa? Kasi ang sasabihin mo sa akin, walang options eh. Or maybe, bumabagal ang oras versus it inspires you to be more productive at parang ang bilis ng oras kasi ang dami mong na-accomplish, ang dami mong nagagawa. So kung titignan mo, a real zone that inspires you must not limit you, must give you choices and options. At dapat feeling mo ang bilis ng oras kasi ang dami mong na-accomplish. Yung opposite nun, na ang akala ng maraming tao comfort zone, honestly, komportable ba talaga? Parang hindi naman, di ba? So, I hope makatulong to sa'yo as a reality check, as an assessment, as a feedback, para naman magkaroon na ng pagbabago ang buhay mo. Kasi at the end of the day, ang importante lang naman dito, ma-inspire ka araw-araw para once and for all, you can make your dreams happen. Alam mo, kapag natupad ang pangarap mo, chat mo ko. I will be the first one to cheer for you.